Sneezing is a reflex action that involves several muscles working together, including those around the eyes. When you sneeze, the muscles in your face, including the ones that control your eyelids, contract involuntarily. This causes your eyes to close automatically. It's a protective mechanism to prevent particles and irritants from entering your eyes during the sneeze. So, it's not that you can't sneeze with your eyes open, but rather that your body has a built-in reflex to close them for protection. Fascinating.